So now I want to check the coolness of this water. If it's okay. It's cold. No, I think this is not still the time for me to come to the beach because this is very cold. Yeah, I think this is not the time for me to come to the beach because the water is still very cold for me. But I think the longer you are in the water, you get used to the cold. But I don't want to get used to the cold at this time because just walking in this water, I'm already cold. So I don't want to be colder than what I am. So I guess I'm only gonna be walking and not swimming, but at least it's good that I have actually tested the coldness of the water. It's cold, right?
It's okay.
For a black man, it's cold.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't been in the Red Sea yet. Not
No.
Red Sea, the Red Sea.
Red Sea?
Red Sea. Oh.
Red Sea is colder than at this time?
Colder. Wow.
So I wouldn't go there. So apparently we all have different skins. It's cold for me and he said it's not cold for him. Well, hopefully it's not gonna be cold for Lishai, because if it's cold for Lishai, then the purpose in which we came here is defeated. And I don't want it to be defeated yet. Lishai, let's go in. What are you doing? Just want to build? What do you want to build? What are you building? You're building a house? You're building a house with a bucket? Wow. I'm going.
Zéo xem nó.
It feels so good for a short while, but then maybe afterwards I'm gonna feel defective. I did it! Yeah, I did it! What? Yeah. Oh, there's a dead bird. Oh my god. There is a dead bird on the water, just floating. How did you get here? What happened to you? Oh, sorry. May your soul rest in peace. So, now I gotta leave the application. We need to call lifesavers to come and take care of this. Sorry. Sorry. I don't know how to swim. Remember I told you guys that whenever I come to the beach, I can only be where my leg touches the ground. So if I cannot stand, then I'm not going further. But you know what? It is tricky because before you get into the water, it feels like it's gonna be very cold. But once you dip yourself in the water, it's like it automatically sends the cold packing. Like, says cold, go away, this is my territory. But before then I was like, oh my god, I don't want to go in, it's very cold. But after I've gone in, I don't want to go out anymore. So guys, this is the Mediterranean Sea for the 1 millionth time. I just feel bad for our dead birdie friend. Feel bad. Anyways, let me take myself out, go do some workout, because that's what I usually do whenever I'm at the beach. So right now I'm going to my workout zone, workout, and then come back and dip myself in the water. So see you guys in the next video.